Joe here, welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start a review of the Edifier WH500. I will tell you all about these headphones. They've been around for a while, and I got them for my little one. So let's start with the price. The price tag for the Edifier WH500 in UK is £44.99. For the US, the price tag is $49.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Edifier WH500 are available in 3 colors: blue, white, and the one in review, the black one. The best in my opinion. The WH500 feels very plasticky. Well, they are made of plastic anyway. They are lightweight as well. And this is the first time that I'm holding an Edifier product that feels not premium. The earpads are made of synthetic leather, and as a result, they are quite comfortable and they won't hurt your ears even if you use them for a long period of time. There is a piece of leather on the band for better comfort on your head as well. The earbuds are adjustable to suit different sizes. The hinge also rotates and twists for better fit. The ear cups can be folded inwards to reduce the headphone size by half, making it easier to carry around. On the right side, you have the volume, multifunction button, Type-C charge port, and the mic hole. There is no buttons on the left side. The Edifier WH500 sounds great out of the box, thanks to the 30mm drivers. The treble is clear and have strong bass. The mid-range and the vocals are okay, and sometimes drowned by the bass. There is 2 modes, music mode and gaming mode, which you can choose by pressing the M button. The bass will be more intensive on the gaming mode. Talking about gaming, the WH500 are great to watch YouTube or Netflix, and with the game mode on, the lag is minimal, but still present in some games. Next, please be the judge on the mic call quality inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Edifier WH500. If you take a phone call, this is the sound you will have. We're gonna go outside and do the same outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Edifier WH500 outside. So if you got a phone call, this is how it will sound outside. We're gonna go back inside and carry on with the review. Next, the battery life, and it's quite good. The WH500 gives you 40 hours of playback time and has fast charge, with 10 minutes of charging giving you 6 hours of playback time. The WH500 is supported by the Edifier Connect app, and on there you can choose between sound effects and adjust the EQ in order to fine-tune the output of the WH500. Overall, the Edifier WH500 is great if you are looking for a new pair of headphones and don't mind the plastic feeling. For the price, Edifier WH500 are great. You have good sound, app support, comfortable to use, and they have fast charging. So, what do you think? Would you buy them? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Edifier WH500. A good pair of headphones. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.